What's up guys, today we'll be unboxing and checking out this 27-inch 1440p gaming monitor. This one's by the brand JLINK and the model is E27QP4K. And as you guys can see, it offers 165Hz refresh rate, 1ms, 2K QHD, eye protection, and HDR. So let's unbox it. Alright guys, so here's what we get out of the box. We get the monitor itself, the 27-inch monitor. We get a display port. We also get the power supply right here, and we get a user manual. So the monitor has a very nice stand. The stand came in two pieces, and then the monitor, you just had to screw a couple of screws on the bottom, and you were able to set up your stand. One thing that I like about the monitor, as you guys can see, it rotates or pans left, pans right really easy. And you can also rotate the monitor as well. So that's perfect in case you want to use it as a first monitor or a second monitor vertically or horizontal right then and there. One main thing about this monitor in the back, for the outlets, we do have a USB port, we do have an HDMI port, we also have a display port and two display ports and one headphone jack. So very convenient, and the power button's also here in the bottom, and it looks like it has like a little control built in. So that was a quick look at this monitor. And before I forget, I believe we also do get a breathing light right here, a nice little RGB light built into the bottom, and this is a very unique design. Alright guys, so let's check out this gameplay. As you guys can see, it runs very nice. It looks really good. The graphics look amazing. The detail, the grass, the floor, the car, and the colors look really good. The monitor does have built-in speakers. You do have to plug them in with the display port for them to work. That's the only way I got them to work. And they sound really good, and you can adjust the volume as well. It does have like a little button. The one that you use to turn on is right back here. And you can use it to play with the settings right then and there. You can adjust the brightness. You can also use it to change the the preset. You can also use it for changing the input, and you can also use it for the volume as well. So it gives you a couple settings, and it also offers crosshair for gaming. So if you want to set up a crosshair, you can also do that as well. So let me show you this in the dark so you guys can see also how it looks. And as I mentioned, the back of the monitor does have some RGB that changes colors. Pretty cool design. That's what it looks like at night, and that's what will glow behind your display. So here's what it looks like in the dark. As I mentioned, the colors look amazing. The display is nice and bright, and it's perfect for gaming. So there you have it guys. That was a quick look at this JLINK 27-inch monitor. As you guys can see, it looks really good. The colors are amazing. The display is awesome. It's nice and thin. It has the RGB lights built in. 144 refresh rate, 1ms, and it offers HDR. So we just wanted to show you guys this product. Really hope this video helps you guys out. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good one.